Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is city creation. So, one of the person told that basically that child basically which was not dead, that might be possible that basically somebody from satellite basically might have saved them. Basically. Then he told that yes, here basically might be possible basically. So, one of the person told that basically, which is that set of words basically, which is that set of words basically, which is the set of words basically, which is which is going to end the people basically. Then into that basically only this group basically might be having, that is this group basically. That is this group basically. University, Oxford University basically. This group basically have the each and every words basically, and I am 100% sure basically these groups are connected with Sanskrit group basically. So for that basically we have to search, and might be possible that some Tamil group basically. First we will search, and I am 100% sure basically which are the in front of the world. And this is not that college also basically. Oldest Sanskrit college. See basically this is the oldest Sanskrit college. It's in Uttar Pradesh. See basically. That's why few people says that the people who are working in this na basically University of Oxford. That's why basically lots of people basically are from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Madhya Pradesh. Then one of the person told that basically, Sunil, somebody basically told that one of the friend basically, you are basically one of the friends basically head was somebody damaged the head basically. Then into the ears here basically. So this basically was done by this group basically. Might be possible basically because it might possible that their words basically might be used by the mobile company or basically the SIM card companies. That is also possible, and this group basically might not be knowing that basically. Then it all that is also possible basically. Because anything is possible in this world basically. One of the person told that basically, is this possible that if this anybody says that basically what this just a minute I will just then he told that, is this possible? What basically? Then he told that basically this matlab this that is this this is possible. Then he told that yes, this is also possible. But that only very rare case basically universe, that is the satellite groups are going to do. But this basically will do. That is 100% sure basically. That's why basically somebody knows this basically. That's why basically he told that I will increase the number of plane from 100 to 200. This is 100% going to happen. I am 100% sure basically. Then one of the person told that basically without plane crash basically that is possible. Then basically one of the person told that basically you have to stop the process of blood cells basically. That is possible. For that basically you have to contact to the research department of the blood cells basically, and they will say that basically universe will stop basically. They will say going to tell this only basically. Universe is going to stop basically. Then into the universe will not stop basically. Then one of the person told that basically. Do you know basically there is one sanstha basically? Which sanstha basically? This sanstha basically, yeah, this sanstha. So are they trying this type of thing basically? Because here basically lots of the people who basically ended, they basically gets new birth here basically. They are basically bhakt of Shankar Bhagwan basically and Mahakali. And here lots of police people are also joined basically. Lots of police also basically joined here basically. Then one of the person told that one of the police group also joined here basically. And I see basically the police groups also basically here. They see basically here. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically. But one of the person told that this is against the universe law basically. You can't get the second birth basically. Then he told that yes, basically. That means they are disconnected from universe. They are basically creating the world basically like disconnection of universe. But that is not possible basically. That is not possible. Entire Earth planet basically group basically are moving in the universe. That is the law basically, and that is not going to stop basically. That is not going to stop basically. Then what this group are doing basically? That is the problem. That basically one person asked the question basically. Reason in this basically, the police group also basically joined. Only Indian police, basically, because no, basically this is across the world. That means police group, entire world police group might be joined basically. Entire police group might have joined this basically. Then one the person told that yes, basically, yeah, we are correct. You are 100% correct. You are 100% correct basically. So this group basically might be connected with this. Reason, this Sanstha basically started their journey from Karnataka, and Sanskrit basically is the root of Karnataka basically. And lots of people who died basically, they basically are from basically who the people who died basically, they basically joins this group basically. They basically change the human clones basically, sorry, human souls basically, and then basically they give the new birth basically. You will never able to recognize that basically this person basically which is died basically, this person which person you are sitting in the, sorry, standing in this front of you basically, he's basically died long before basically, but he got the new birth from this group basically. So that is Sanskrit group basically. That is basically the Sanskrit group basically. Then one of the person told that basically that is Sanskrit group basically. So this is that group basically. Then he told that basically on last day of the world basically, what would be the status of this group basically? Then he told that basically you have to ask to this group basically. Which group basically? This group, no, basically. This group basically, because they are controlling this population, no, basically. This population basically is control of the Earth planet is controlled by this group basically. They will be decided, no, basically. Then he told that yes, here basically you are correct basically. This group might be deciding basically. This group might be deciding basically. It might be possible basically this group might be deciding. This is that group basically who is going to decide basically that 900 population basically 900 crore population of the Earth planet. Which are those words basically which is going to end the entire world basically. So in next video basically we are going to see basically how basically this 900 crore people basically are going to get the death word basically, that is the last word of the world basically, when the world is going to be complete end basically. In next video basically we are going to see that.